The Car Patrol.
Hello, Matt. Hello, Frank. Oh dear, there's a big queue of cars building up. You'd better come and calm everyone down, Matt. You'll soon be out of the traffic jam, everyone. Matt and Frank are going to go and see what's causing it. Careful, Frank. Hey, Flavy, you need to park as soon as you've crossed the railroad. Oh no! Oh no, here comes Troy the train. We can hear his bell. Stop, Troy! Stop! Flavy's load fell on the railroad. Thankfully, Matt managed to stop Troy before he crashed into the boxes. Matt has a suggestion. Maybe Troy can help Flavy with her delivery. Good point, Flavy. How will we get those boxes into the back of Troy's cargo train? Frank thinks he's seen someone who can help. That's lucky. Francis the forklift was amongst the traffic. One more to go. Are you ready to go and make your delivery with Troy, Flavy? Thanks for your help today, Francis. And well done to you guys, too. You did a great job. Time to get back to your break. Car Patrol. Hi, Troy. Isn't it a beautiful day today? Long way to go before the next station, Troy. Whoa! Can you see that, Troy? Troy, brake hard! There's danger ahead! Try harder, Troy! Use all your might! Oh, good, Troy! That was really close! What happened, Troy? Is there something you're worried about? Oh, you need to reach the next station today to bring some material to Tom? Don't worry. Let me try finding Matt, the police car, and Frank, the fire truck. They will be able to help you out of the jam. Hey, Matt. Hey, Frank. Troy the train needs your help. You need to come right away. Follow me. There, can you spot Troy now? Hey, Troy, Frank and Matt are here to help you. So, what do we do about the rock? Troy needs to reach the next station. This rock is too heavy for you, Matt. Oh, Frank, I think it's too heavy for you, too. What are you up to, Matt? Oh, yes, the construction site is a bit further. I'm sure we will find some help there. So, shall we roll the rock till the construction site? Any ideas, guys? What's that, Matt? What are you going to do with this blanket? Good idea, Matt. Let's use the blanket and the metallic ropes together to pull the rock. Awesome! Come on, guys, we're almost there. Here we are, the construction site. This is Charlie the crane. Let's call him. Hey, Charlie, over here. Matt and Frank and Troy need your help. This rock is blocking Troy's way. Can you help us? Wow, Charlie, you're very strong. Well done. The way is cleared now, friends. Thank you for your help, Charlie. Troy, you better get going. Bye. Great work, Matt. Great work, Frank. And you too, Charlie. We could not have done this without you. Bye, Matt. Bye, Frank. See you around. The Car Patrol. Hey, there's Susie. Looks like she's having fun there on the forest road. Oh no! The wind has blown down a tree. Susie, are you hurt? It looks like that tree bashed you on your back. We need to take you to the hospital and lift this trunk off you. Let's call the Car Patrol. Hey, Frank, over here. Susie is in trouble. She needs your help. Matt, could you go fetch Amber? Frank, would you come with me? Come on, guys, let's go. Here, Susie. Matt and Frank are here to help. Thanks, Frank. Let's wait for Amber now. Don't worry, Susie. Matt went to ask Amber the ambulance to come and help. Here she is. The lights turned green. You can get in now, Susie. That's it. You take it steady, getting into the ambulance. Great. We're at the hospital. Poor Susie, your head must hurt a lot, but Amber will take care of you now. I guess we should get that wound cleaned up now, Amber. Ready, Susie? Close your eyes. It's okay, Susie. Amber has some cotton wool. You'll soon be clean and dry. Oh, Ooh, is that tickling, Susie? Let's get a bandage on you now, Susie. There, all fixed up. Does that feel better, Susie? Looks like you're ready to go then. Susie still didn't look happy, did she, Amber? Do you want to make Susie smile again? Okay, let's see what we can find. There must be someone in Car City who can help us. Hey, look, Amber, it's Matt, the police car, and he's got some balloons. It looks like Matt's giving Amber her balloons. Thanks, Matt. Are they for Susie? Amber has something else for you, Susie. Don't worry, there's no water to spray you with this time. You can open your eyes. It's great to see you smiling again, Susie. Good job, Amber. Time for Amber to get back to the hospital. Goodbye, Amber, and thanks. The Car Patrol. Hi, Matt. Hi, Frank. How are you guys doing today? Frank? Matt? Do you see those walls? I wonder who scribbled on them. You're right, Matt. This is not tolerable. We need to catch the culprit. Matt, Frank, did you notice that? More scribbles on those walls. You're right, Frank. These scribbles look very much similar to the ones we saw before. Come, let's catch him red-handed. Nobody in this street. Let's check the next one. Check this out, guys. I think we have our guy. Wheels up. You're under arrest for... Sorry, Gary. We thought you were the one responsible for the scribbles on the walls. Okay, let's find the real culprit this time. Nothing suspicious here. Nothing here, too. Hi, Lucy. Yeah, we know. You've seen the scribbling on the walls, too. Well, we are trying to catch the culprit. You be careful now. Bye. Hey, look. What is Billy the bulldozer doing here? I say we have found our culprit. Stop whatever you're doing, Billy. We know you're the one who's been defacing the city walls. Sorry, Billy. I think we may have made a mistake. It looks like you're busy with some work. Please accept our apologies, Billy. We're off to find the real culprit. Bye. Oh, that was a gross error. We need to be careful the next time around. You're right, Matt, Frank. We cannot go around blaming innocent people. That's unfair. I know it's too early, but something about Tyler standing near a partly defaced police station looks really suspicious. So what do you think, guys? Should we take him on? Wheels up, Tyler. Stop! We know you're up to no good. And now we have proof, too. Caught ya! Oh, Tyler is escaping. Catch him, Matt. Faster! Faster, Matt! I know, Matt. Tyler is too fast. Let's call Hector the helicopter. Hey, Hector, we need your help in catching Tyler. Come along now. Tyler is too fast. You need to double up on your speed, Hector. Come on, Hector, faster! Don't let him escape. Keep it up, Hector. Let's catch him. Perfect move, Hector. Great work. Thank you, Hector. It wouldn't have been possible to catch Tyler without your help. Bye. See you soon. Now, time to make amends, Tyler. It will teach you to be careful the next time around. Good work, Matt. Good work, Frank. See you guys around. Bye.